If you want to market your new or existing product, this is an awesome tool which will help you to identify the potential markets and give you a bird's eye view how you should proceed. Keep watching. So here I am on a tool by ThinkwithGoogle, and the tool is called Market Finder. I'll give you a step-by-step process that how exactly you can go find your market. Okay, so the first step is to give your website address. What I'll do is I'll give my website address, and then this tool will identify what my website is related to. The algorithms are working at the background and they are pulling in all the metadata from the website. And okay, the website is in direct marketing, social networks, website design and development. I'll just confirm the categories. So now a broad spectrum of the countries is shown to me, okay, that where exactly your product and services are in demand. Let me sign in so that it gives me the full list of countries. Okay, so here is the point is, if you have a website of a product of any service of a SaaS based product, so it will give you a bird's eye view of each country. So if you want to find a particular country you are targeting in, so like say for example I'll take India, it will give you estimated bid of Google Ads, and let me add this market, gives you the option, and then I'll choose another market of say Canada. So you could see the difference between the estimated bid, and you can understand the economy of advertising here. So I have added this market also. I'll take a country in GCC. Saudi Arabia is upcoming. Let me take it. Okay, it will give me the features of Saudi Arabia. So here I have the details of the markets which I have filtered, which I am interested in. If I'll click on more details, I'll get to know the country profile, the economic profile. You can go one by one, and the data is quite lucrative. So you will get the population size. At least you will get a bird's eye view what exactly it's all about. If your product is specifically a very refined product, you can go by the demographics, by the language. You can at least come up with a strategy which can target language wise, or which can take demographics under consideration, so that you can get max output. So it gives you the corruption perception index. I mean, this information can be utilized. If you have a physical product, you are dealing with government somehow, but overall if you will go and look through the country profile, they have given you enough data to make a presentation, or to at least get a direction as of how you have to proceed, payment methods. This information, say for a technical company or a SaaS based company, is very important. Okay, card friendly country is card friendly or not, e-wallets are there, bank transfer, how much popular bank transfers are there, cash on delivery, search advertising, how much searches they are making, and what exactly people are spending on the keywords, online profile, active internet population. So there is a plethora of information out here. You can use this information to create at least a landscape of your market. Purchase behavior, this is very important. First exposure to the product, 14%. First exposure to the product via advertising, 6%. In that also you can segment which advertising. Online only research to find the local business, 30%. So whether your business has to be local or not, you have to be on Google business pages or not. So information can give you a direction, and then you can dig upon and create your marketing strategy as per the country. Use this tool for your particular business and let me know if you get benefited by it. Do like and subscribe, because I will be making these kind of videos again, and the main motivation behind making these kind of videos is your love. So like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.